Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. Today, I want to walk you through how generative AI is reshaping dealership service and maintenance operations, and why you might want to consider adopting it yourself. What's really impressive is how these systems can take action. When a customer expresses interest in scheduling service, the AI can check available times and book it directly into your calendar system. No human intervention required. Your service advisors are freed from answering repetitive questions and can focus on high-value interactions with customers in front of them. We all know scheduling can be a major pain point. Customers hate waiting on hold, and service advisors get bogged down with routine calls. With AI handling these interactions, the entire process becomes smoother. Need to reschedule an appointment? The system confirms the cancellation, displays available slots based on your actual shop schedule in real time, and books the new time, all automatically. This isn't just convenient for customers. It's transformative for your service department's efficiency. Your advisors can focus on customers physically present in your service drive or address more complex issues requiring human expertise. The result? Higher satisfaction all around and a more productive service team. Now let's talk about what might be the biggest game changer: predictive maintenance. Traditional maintenance is either reactive, fix it after it breaks, or based on standard service intervals. But generative AI enables a fundamental shift toward proactive maintenance using actual vehicle data. Modern vehicles are essentially computers on wheels, constantly generating data about mileage, engine temperature, braking patterns, tire pressure, and countless other parameters. AI algorithms can analyze this data to identify subtle patterns and anomalies that might signal an impending issue long before any warning light appears on the dashboard. This means instead of a customer seeing their check engine light and panicking, you can reach out proactively. Based on our analysis of your vehicle's data and driving patterns, we've noticed your brake pads might need attention soon. It's a win-win: lower costs and better safety for the vehicle owner, and more efficient operations for your dealership. Your technicians are the backbone of your service department, and their expertise directly impacts your reputation and bottom line. Generative AI is transforming how we train and support these essential team members. Instead of one-size-fits-all training, AI enables personalized learning paths. An experienced tech might need advanced training on the latest electric vehicle systems, while a new apprentice needs help with diagnostic basics. AI can tailor the learning experience based on current skills and growth areas, making training more efficient and relevant. But the support doesn't end after initial training. AI service advisors can provide real-time guidance while technicians work on vehicles. When a tech encounters an unfamiliar problem, these tools can offer step-by-step troubleshooting, display relevant diagrams, and link to the right repair manual sections instantly, right when they need it. When you connect all these elements, enhanced customer communication, streamlined scheduling, predictive maintenance, and smarter technician support, you get a dealership service department that operates with unprecedented efficiency. Predictive maintenance reduces emergency repairs that throw off schedules. AI scheduling keeps service bays full, but not overloaded. Better trained techs work faster and more accurately. All this adds up to lower overhead costs and a more agile operation focused on customer experience. Companies like Lingio are already demonstrating success with AI-powered training platforms. Their approach includes gamified learning that makes training engaging and memorable. Mobile-first access so technicians can learn anywhere, anytime. Integration with advanced AI tools for more accurate diagnostics. Measurable impact on metrics like production efficiency and customer satisfaction. These examples prove that generative AI isn't just theoretical. It's delivering measurable benefits right now. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.